Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating both apps and confirming your account details, country, payments profile, and balance. Once done, open Google Opinion Rewards, tap the menu, then Settings, look for payouts or transfer options. Next, add Google Pay as a payout method by selecting Add Payment Method. Authorize with the same Google account used in Gpay. Make sure your Gpay mobile number and email match the payments profile. This prevents mismatched accounts and failed transfers. Now you perform the transfer. Verify identity in your payments profile, upload ID if requested, because transfers require a verified profile. Then choose the amount to move. Opinion Rewards may restrict minimums or hold balances for surveys. Select Google Pay as destination, review any small processing delays or limits, and confirm. You will authorize with an OTP or biometric prompt. Once authorized, the app shows a queued transaction. Keep both apps open until you see a success confirmation. Finish by opening Google Pay and verifying the deposit. Check transaction date, amount, and source label. If you want the money in your bank, use Gpay's transfer out option. Note daily limits and any nominal fees. If you don't see the funds within the stated window, first ensure both apps are updated, clear cache, and confirm payments profile country matches Gpay. If that doesn't resolve it, gather transaction ID and screenshots. Then contact Google support for escalation. This single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.